Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this really nice twist out. It's juicy, okay? We got some shake, some bake. I think I may take this out because this feels a little childish to me. I don't know. I think I might do some hairpins. So I got a bunch of hairpins. I'm gonna do a couple of hairpins to style this. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, okay. There we go. Yeah, I prefer the hairpins, to be honest. It looks better. Okay, this girl's gonna put an extra hairpin, cross that over, and yeah, I'm obsessed. I love this like super deep part on my hair, and I'm just like gonna see how long I can get this to last. I've usually gotten my twist outs to last about a week, but this time I did this on damp hair, so I want to see if I get it to last longer or not. But before we get into this video, I'm gonna pause right here. If you're not a part of the squad, make sure to go down below, subscribe, and then hit that notification bell so you can see when I post videos, okay guys? So without further ado, let's get into this video. Boop. So we're gonna start off on some dry hair. Mine was dried, washed, and stretched. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of aloe vera juice / water. So I mixed equal parts aloe and equal parts water just to spray on my hair. Aloe vera has great moisturizing properties for your hair, and soon I had washed my hair 2 to 3 days ago, and I wanted to really re-add that moisture. That's what I went ahead and did. So next we're gonna section our hair off. I typically section my hair by how I want it styled when I take it out. So I really wanted a deep part, so that is why I styled it as so. So now I am putting on some Mane Choice styling cream on my hair, and I'm going to follow that up with the Auntie Jaxie Flaxseed Elongating Gel. So here's where I begin flat twisting, and I zoomed in for you guys so you guys can get a better look of my technique, but I am by no means an expert on flat twisting. You know, I am still kind of learning myself, but I will put some links to videos below where people are better explaining how they are able to get their flat twist. And I will also link below the Mane Choice and Auntie Jaxie styling cream. So if you would like to purchase any, I will leave my Amazon link so you can use my affiliate code. So once I get to the end, I use a detangling brush just to kind of really comb out my ends and make sure there are no tangles. And then I'm gonna go ahead and place just a little bit more of my aloe vera, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put some of that Auntie Jaxie's flaxseed gel, and I'm just gonna coil the ends of my hair. I do not continue to twist down further. I prefer to coil because that is where you really get your best definition once you take out that twist. So if you can see my twist right now, the first twist that I just completed, I actually do later on go back in and twist it a little better, finish that coil up just a bit better, because as you can see, it's very poofy right now, but I am going to go back in and fix that. But here I'm just repeating this step on the other section of hair, again detangling it, making sure I don't have any tangles, and then I'm going to go ahead and repeat the process until I have my whole head completely flat twisted. Again, same products I'm using, same exact technique I'm doing. But if you really want to see how to get flat twist if you're not good at it, I again will leave some links to videos where they do demonstrate and kind of walk you through a step-by-step process on how to obtain that flat twist. So it has been 3 days later and I'm coming back to you guys with these juicy, moisturized, cute as heck flat twist. We're gonna twist these out and we're gonna see what we have. So this is my Chebe oil. I actually get it from an Etsy shop that I will also link below, but I really love this. And what I do is I rub it on all of the twists and I go back into each twist as I'm taking it out at the ends, and I make sure to get that oil on there. Now be very careful when you are taking out your twist, guys. Make sure to always unravel from the ends. I have that oil on my hands again, and I am just going down the ends of my twists and untwirling them, and then that is when I am safely just taking them out very gently. And it's always best to have some kind of oil on your hands, like that Chebe oil that I'm using. It's really just super helpful in making sure you are adding some extra moisture to the twists, but at the same time reducing frizz. I have to take the rest of my hair out off of camera because my camera actually died from a video that I filmed earlier, so boo. But this is the initial take now, guys. Like, let me show you this definition, okay? Like this, like. Okay, let's get this side. Ooh, we got a hanger. This side of my hair is shorter in like terms of like actual shortness, because I'm constantly having to cut it and just like really work with the ends of it. So I'm trying to get it back to its full glory. So that is why I did this really deep part, to make this side look like it was styled that way. But yeah. By the way, I got these pins off of Amazon. I'm like obsessed with them at the moment. So I just got a bunch from Amazon. This is my final look for my hair, and essentially the one that you are going to want to use in conjunction to get these like really juicy, super defined flat twists, my main choice styling cream, and this one is the one that was specific for type 4 hair, and the Auntie Jackie's Curl and Coils Flaxseed Elongating Custard Gel. It's not a custard at all. It's very like, it's like a really watery jelly kind of material. It's like a jelly. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment below, and thank you so much. And I really hope that everyone is safe and is being safe and wearing your mask, and just like thinking about others. Like, don't be selfish, don't go out and party, don't be stupid right now. So make sure you're wearing your mask, make sure you're being safe, and thank you again for supporting